Hello everybody. Let's take a look at some of the different ways that we can take a screenshot on our Chromebook. There are a lot of times when we have things that we want to be able to just take a picture of to submit either as an assignment or as part of an assignment or a data sheet, and being able to effectively take screenshots is a really good skill to have. So the easiest way to take a full screenshot is to use the keyboard and to hold down the control key while then tapping the screenshot key or F4 on your keyboard. And when you do that, you will see that it takes a screenshot. Now on your Chromebook, if the F keys are not labeled, the screenshot button is the one at the very top row above the number 4 that is a rectangle with two vertical lines next to it. That allows us to take a full screenshot. Now, the other way that we can use the keyboard to take a screenshot is to take a partial screenshot. So, for instance, if we wanted to take a screenshot of just this code section here, we would hold down the Control key and the Shift key, and then we would hit our screenshot button. And then the screen kind of dims out and gives you this little cursor that you can then click and hold and drag across the area you want to capture, and then hit the capture button. Now, if when you clicked and dragged you didn't get it exactly right, you can go back and grab these little handles and make changes to it, so you can get it as nice and neat as you would like. And then when you're ready, you just hit the capture button in the middle. And we'll see that this is saving it both to our clipboard and also in a folder. And if you click this Show in Folder, you will see that right now by default they are going into our downloads.